Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Junior 1, and our today's topic is Tanween with double Z from Alif to Ya. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 9 and SW number 9. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic alphabet with Tanween. Tanween with double Z from Alif to Ya. So my dear students, let's start and first look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 29 Arabic alphabets or letters. Today we learn Tanween with double Z. And my dear students, in our previous class we have learned that double Jabr, double Z and double Pesh are called Tanween. Today we will learn Tanween with double Z. And my dear student, this one is called double Z. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, this one is Alif, you know that. Now I am giving double Z under the Alif, and now we have to pronounce this one Hamza Dui Z in, Hamza Dui Z in, and this one is Ba. Now I am giving double Z under the Ba, and you have to pronounce this one Ba Dui Z bin, Ba Dui Z bin. After giving double Z under the Ta, you have to pronounce this one now Ta Dui Zer Tin, Ta Dui Zer Tin. Now my dear student, this one is Tha. After giving double Z under the Tha, you have to after giving double Z under the Tha, you have to pronounce this one Tha Dui Zer Thin, Tha Dui Zer Thin, very softly. My dear students, I'm giving one by one double Z in every alphabet. Look at the board very carefully. Now I'm giving double Z under the Jim, and you have to pronounce this one Zim Dui Z Zin. Then now you have to pronounce now this one Ha Dui Z Hin, Ha Dui Z Hin. You know that this one is Kha. After that, now you have to pronounce this one Kha Dui Zer Khin, Kha Dui Zer Khin. My dear student, this one is Dal, and now we have to pronounce this one Dal Dui Zer Din, Dal Dui Zer Din. That this one is Dal. Now we have to pronounce this one Dal Dui Zer Din, Dal Dui Zer, Dal Dui Zer Din, very softly. And my dear student, this one is Ra, not Ra, and you have to pronounce this one Ra Dui Zer Rin, Ra Dui Zer Rin. And this one is Za. After giving double Z under the Za, you have to pronounce this one Za Dui Zer Zin, Za Dui Zer Zin. And this one is Sin. I'm giving double Z under the Sin, and you have to pronounce this one Sin Dui Zer Sin, Sin Dui Zer Sin. And now this one is Shin, and you have to pronounce this one Shin Dui Zer Shin, Shin Dui Zer Shin. And this one is Sod, and now you have to pronounce this one Sod Dui Zer Sin, Sod Dui Zer Sin. And this one is Dod, not Dua. This one is Dod, and you have to pronounce this one Dod Dui Zer Din. And my dear student, this one is To. After giving double Z under the To, you have to pronounce this one To Dui Zer Tin. Now my dear student, you know that this one is Dha, and now you have to pronounce this one Dha Dui Zer Din, Dha Dui Zer Din. And this one is Ain. Now after giving double Z under the Ain, you have to pronounce this one Ain Dui Zer Ain, Ain Dui Zer Ain. Then this one is Ghain, not Gain. You have to pronounce this one Ghain Dui Zer Ghain, Ghain Dui Zer Ghain. And now my dear student, this one is Fa. you have to pronounce this one fa dui zer fin, fa dui zer fin. Now this one is মধ্যখানে পেঁচানো, sorry, দুই নক্তাওয়ালা কফ, and you have to pronounce this one কফ দুই জের কিন, and this one is মধ্যখানে পেঁচানো কাফ, and now you have to pronounce this one কফ দুই জের কিন, কফ দুই, sorry, this one is কাফ দুই জের কিন. This one is দুই নক্তাওয়ালা কফ, and this one is মধ্যখানে পেঁচানো কাফ. So you have to pronounce this one কফ দুই জের কিন, and you have to pronounce this one kaf dui zer kin. Okay, my dear student, then this one is lam. Now you have to pronounce this one lam dui zer lin, and then this one is mim, and you have to pronounce this one mim dui zer min, mim dui zer min. And then this one is noon. After giving double j under the noon, you have to pronounce this one noon dui zer nin, noon dui zer nin. And this one is wow, and you have to pronounce this one like that, wow dui zero win, wow dui zero win, like that, win, like that. Now my dear student, this one is ha, and you have to pronounce this one ha dui zero hin, ha dui zero hin, and this one is hamza. You have to pronounce also this one hamza dui zero in, hamza dui zer in. Now my dear student, our last Arabic alphabet is ya. Now I am giving double j under the ya, and now we have to pronounce this one ya dui zer in, ya dui zer in. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, now we have learned, today we have learned Arabic alphabet with Tanween. That means today we will learn Tanween with double J from alif to ya. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. You will practice at your home more and more. You will write and read more and more at your home. And my dear students, you will make SW at your home as SW number 9. SW number 9 from Hamza dui zer in to ya dui zer in, from alif to ya. My dear students, that's all for today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.